What's cracking, YouTube? It's your boy Toni. You might have noticed that I am back in the dungeon with another pair of Jordans. You've seen the thumbnail. What we have here, ladies and gentlemen. Did I kick the camera? What we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is the Air Jordan 7 Retro. Official colorway on these joints is Shimmer, Black, and Sapphire. I think they call them the Sapphire 7s. We don't know. So, it's kind of weird that they put this cement paper in there. But, oh, never mind. It makes sense. The cement on the shoe. See, I didn't even look at the shoe, man. I've had these for months. I just unboxed them from Nike and then throw them in the stack. But here goes the shoe, man. Here you go. What we have here. So we got a translucent joint right there with a jump, man. You can see through there. This is like one of the only models that comes with this paper in there. I guess it's to keep the shoe standing up, even though they lace it super tight. But this is a shoe, man. It's giving me Nike, what's it, ACG? ACG vibes. If you don't know what those are, here they go. Just give me those vibes. It's official, man. I feel like this is a fall shoe, a fall Jordan. You know what I'm saying? And this was like, they executed this was very nice. I can't say. The quality control is on point. Ain't no paint marks, ain't nothing bleeding, you know what I'm saying? But that's the shoe, man. Let me put this box down. These retail, I want to say they was like 200. They might have been more. It was a minute ago, but I mess with them. And I don't have, I actually got one other pair of 7s in my collection. And that's the Air 7s. They over there out of view. I'm not going to reach up and grab them. But can't go wrong, man. It's real simple, it's clean, not doing too much, not too loud. You can pretty much wear anything with them. The tan, the light pink, that pink, purple, black, gray, white, all white if you want, all black. It's possibilities are endless. So there's the shoe, man. Let's get into the B-roll. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this was the Air Jordan 7 Sapphire colorway. They official, man. And I'm gonna rock them. So, like always, thanks for watching Unbox on Toni TV. And I'm out. Looking real good.